With our shifting focus now from Tamil Nadu all the way to Maharashtra. The NCP is in a state of deep flux after Ajit Pawar's sudden demise, and the race for succession now entering a critical phase. Just ahead of the crucial NCP meeting that's scheduled to take place in just a few days, top leaders of the Ajit Pawar faction are heading to Baramati to meet Sunetra Pawar. In fact, in the latest breaking inputs coming in, reports are indicating that Sunetra Pawar taking over the NCP as its head could just be announced tomorrow. As NCP's fate hangs in balance, the merger speculations have triggered a massive debate. One can think of a number of possibilities as far as what happens next is concerned. Sources close to Pawar family say, firstly, to begin with, majority leaders of the Ajit Pawar NCP faction want Sunetra Pawar to become the deputy chief minister and lead the party. Many also want that the finance ministry portfolio that Ajit Pawar personally held must be retained and reallocated within the NCP Ajit Pawar faction. Party leaders also want Ajit Pawar's son, Parth Pawar, to join the government. But if NCP reunion does take place, here's what it would mean for national politics. Supriya Sule may get a cabinet berth. The reunion will provide NDA extra numerical support, ensuring greater stability in the parliament. Furthermore, the India bloc loses ground as defections reduce its collective strength against the NDA. And so, as far as the NCP succession row is concerned, after hints and misses, Pawar reunion, is it finally going to happen? Is it on the cards? We'll take that up with our guests.
ये चर्चा जरूर हुई कि भाई साथ में आए, पार्टियों के कार्यकर्ताओं की इच्छा है, नेताओं की इच्छा है। पवार परिवार इसके ऊपर डिसीजन लेगा और एनसीपी अजीत दादा पार्टी के जो हाई कमांड है और उनकी पार्टी के सभी जो नेता है वो बैठ के वो डिसीजन लेंगे।
इकट्ठा बैठ के चर्चा करके किस दिशा में, क्योंकि अजीत दादा की ये दिल से इच्छा थी कि दोनों पार्टी इकट्ठा आना चाहिए।
पवार जी का नाम का सवाल ही मतलब वो केवल पर अभी से बोल रहा पवार जी को मिले, हम बात करें, रिक्वेल करें, उसके बाद में आपको कोई बोलूं तो अच्छा रहेगा।
सुनेत्रा पवार जी का नाम आ रहा है। वे कोई हाउसवाइफ नहीं है, वर्तमान सांसद है और वो यदि उप मुख्यमंत्री बनती है, सच्चे रूप से उनके दल के अजीत दादाजी को श्रद्धांजलि रहेगी।
Introducing Nirmala Samant Prabhalkar, who is a former mayor and spokesperson as well of the NCP Sharad Pawar camp. I'm also joined in by Mr. Nikul Patel. In fact, Nikul continues to stay with us, the leader of the Congress party. Nirmala ji, if I could begin by asking you, is this merger imminent now?
Let me tell you that the sad incident has happened just a few hours before, and all are in the state of shock and mourning. And let some time get over because it's a big personal tragedy. And immediately to jump over who will take over the ex-CM, late Shri Ajit Dada, is also into consideration, and so many things are into consideration. I do not know what is going to be about the reunion because my former minister, health minister, has said that this is a major decision, it's a policy decision, and Honorable Sharad Pawar ji, who was a founder of the party, he has to take a call, and I'm sure that he will take the proper call about reunion is possible or not possible. Many things are to be discussed.
So when you're saying many things, our condolences are with... Nirmala ji, our condolences are with all of NCP. This is indeed a testing time for not just the Pawar Parivar, but the entire NCP, whether it is Mr. Sharad Pawar's camp or Ajit Pawar ji's camp. The fact of the matter remains that that void will remain not just in Maharashtra, but all of Indian politics. We've lost a stalwart indeed. And that is why that question becomes even more relevant and pertinent, because the reactions coming in from Baramati continue to haunt us, because, you know, they are saying that there was only one Dada in Baramati and we've lost that Dada. There will be no other Dada now. So the fact is that whoever now succeeds will have big shoes to fill. What are those factors that will govern that decision?
I do agree there's a big loss, and the way Dada nurtured Baramati, and the way Dada nurtured the party after it got split. Those kind of feelings and emotions and sentiments are bound to be there. They are going to be stronger and stronger. There's no doubt about it. But political decision is concerned. I think that Pawar Sahab will his say will be extremely important, because he is the founder of the party. What I have also been hearing, that it was Dada's wish, that of the merger, but before that he has taken exit. So what exactly has happened, what kind of a talks were there, whether both the party leaders did meet and all that, is a question which is really not openly known. It's not in a public place at all. So I can't say anything till and until some. I think the time will go. The wound is
Fresh.
very fresh. The wound, the mental wound, the physical loss, and all sort of a losses, I think, beyond the question of merger or etc. etc. I think the time will come and things will, Pawar Sahib himself will open his mind, because he is a very seasoned leader. You will not find any seasoned leader of his stature, not only in Maharashtra but not at an international level also. And he speaks purely about the realities, the
Okay.
common sense, everything. So let's wait and watch what he is going to. Sir is going to take a decision.
Nikul Patel, the other question that's also swirling around now is that why shouldn't the merger go ahead with Mahayuti, and what is it that MVA can offer for them to join the MVA?
See, we know in what circumstances NCP Ajit Pawar ji fraction had taken place and what was the progression later on and how it had happened. Now, under the event that happened, it's really we can say that saddened out everyone into Ajit Pawar section ji, and now it's a question who is going to lead the entire unit. That's again a question for them. If it is not being leaded like what Dada was leading, then that may be a difficulty for the existence of the entire section. So now the mere possible discussion of coming again back with NCP Sharad Pawar ji is an probable option. And as what claimed by my co-panelists, that there were some informal discussion going on regarding reunion with Sharad Pawar ji. So I think anything can happen right now, because it's very early to discuss anything. But as a Congress, we will welcome if Ajit Pawar ji section comes and joins with NCP Sharad Pawar ji section, because ultimately that was the initial political formation which was given the mandate by the Maharashtra people for forming the government.
But what is it that they'll stand to gain, given that Sunetra Pawar also has to protect her own flock, she has to protect the legacy of the family, which includes her two sons? Then what is it that she could gain, or Ajit Pawar's entire faction could gain by being with the MVA?
See, again, if you see, when it comes to family and the legacy and about the future of this particular party, the NDA has its own perspective of giving whatever they can give it to. I don't think that anything will happen to the present government in Maharashtra due to the numbers which they have with Shiv Sena and BJP. But over here now the call is from the Ajit Pawar ji section that what they wish to do. And if it is a family dispute that had led to the fragmentation of these two parties, now it may be a possible chances of again coming back together within the family and leading forward and taking the vote share which they are having in the entire Maharashtra to what they have planned and what Dada want to give it to the people.
Nirmala ji, I want to quickly bring you in on the fate of the NCP now. Many are saying that this will also present an opportunity for, say, the likes of Supriya Sule, to also rise to the occasion and show their own political mettle and their own political caliber at the moment, because with, say, a force like Ajit Pawar gone, and aging Sharad Pawar ji, it is only now at the moment for the women, whether it is Sunetra Pawar on one hand or Supriya Sule on the other, to keep not just a flock together, but also perhaps move as a united front.
Again, I say that my previous panelist has said that the Congress will be happy if the reunion takes place. The question is that we want that the secular-minded, secular forces should remain together with the ideology. That is most important. And secondly, that he rightly said that nothing is going to happen to the present government
But
because they have sufficient numbers
Nirmala ji, what
to
makes
run
you
the
think
party.
that the secular forces will not remain in place if
It
they
should-
join
no,
the
no, it will
Mahayuti?
remain.
Because Ajit Pawar was such a dynamic leader, such a stalwart, somebody who was known to speak his mind and not really pander to the forces
Exactly,
that you may
exactly.
think were governing Mahayuti.
That is what we are very. I mean, Dada is nurtured such a way from childhood by the secular forces that he has never allowed to tarnish it. That is one good point about it. And secondly, about the Supriya ji's leadership is concerned, there is no iota of anything to doubt about her strength. She has been number of times leader. I mean, she has won being a MP for a number of times, and she has won as one of the Ratna. I mean, good parliamentarian. This one, and she has been, grown up under the leadership of seasoned leadership of her father, the
Okay.
Honorable Chief Minister, the Pawar Sahab. So there is no question about her leadership and a woman leadership. As well as so let us see that it is too early to predict anything. Leader, I mean, what I can say that Sharad Pawar ji is such a seasoned leader. He has been more than 60 years in politics, and for him, it is his wisdom will think in the interests of the party. It's in the interests of the workers, which is very, very important, and in the interests of the path which he laid down for a number of years. So I think the time will decide, and we need to give some time because
So
the grief
there's
is.
also been reports of a tussle when it comes to the BMC mayor's post, Nikul Patel, within the Mahayuti when it comes to BJP and, say, the Eknath Shinde faction. How do you weigh in on a possibility of this becoming even tougher for the BJP to navigate if the merger was to join the Mahayuti?
See, BJP, if you see, we know the history of BJP. They formed the coalition with the regional parties to get into the government and then come into the majority. I think the regional parties must realize this fact of their thinking, and they must work on it. We have seen how they have destabilized the NCP, Shiv Sena and Congress government by dividing Shiv Sena and NCP into two fragments. So I think that let's see what happens in future. But at present, I think the government is stable, and I think
So
BJP is not worried about it.
Quick closing thoughts from Nirmala ji about this, the claim that's been made by Nikul about BJP playing this divisive force when it comes to regional parties.
Yeah, definitely. This is an open secret that BJP has always, taken over the help of regional parties to spread its tentacles. And once they get enough strength and enough numbers, then they throw it away. It's a use and throw type of a mentality which BJP has been always using for a number of years. They also know that they cannot become strong unless and until they suck the blood of the regional parties, the regional Asmita.
So we'll have
and
to
all that.
see now
So
what
it's a
your
well-known
party.
thing for BJP. Yeah,
All right.
that's what I said. As far as NCP SP is concerned, let us wait and watch that. That decision I cannot at my level take, but I am very much confident that Honorable Sharad Pawar ji will take a most matured and politically correct decision.
Remember, the days ahead are going to be extremely pivotal for the NCP, and I can only, in fact, stand in solidarity with you at the moment. Many thanks to you for joining us here in this hour of grief. We stand with you, and thank you, Nikul Patel, for joining in on